Hello dear students, welcome to this video. This is part of a series of videos where we bring to you some actual IP Mat questions from papers of the recent past. Okay, this is to give you a realistic idea of what to prepare for your exam. Now let us look at this question. It is from IP Mat Indore 2023. What question is this? It is a fill in the blanks question. We have two blanks here, a very staple question type in IPM, okay, IP Mat. 1, 2 or 3 blank questions have appeared. 4 blank questions have also appeared sometime in the distant past, but the latest IP Mat again had 1 and 2 blank fill in the blank questions. Let's take a look. So it is a vocabulary based question type, right? Okay. In the alleyways of Old Cairo, in its cafes, warehouses and barber shops, framed portraits of Egyptian icons, okay, so some famous Egyptians, are dash. So, in the alleyways, in the lanes of Cairo and in its cafes, warehouses, etc., framed portraits of Egyptian icons are to be seen or are very common, maybe something like that, right? It's good to guess the meaning. Kings, presidents, religious and political figures are all dash on fading walls, are all represented maybe, held up as symbols of a glorious past. Okay, now let us check out all the words. Ubiquitous and immortalized, okay. So, framed portraits of Egyptian icons are ubiquitous. Correct. What is the meaning of this word? Ubiquitous means seen everywhere. Very common. Okay. ChatGPT has become ubiquitous today. Smartphones are ubiquitous today. Another similar word would be omnipresent. Means seen everywhere. So, this part is correct. Now, let us see. All these figures are all immortalized on fading walls. Immortalized means they are captured there. Though these people may be dead, they are alive for us. Immortal is without death. So, they are captured for us there. So, this option does make sense. Let us check out the others. Egyptian portraits of Egyptian icons are fashionable. Fashionable refers to somebody who knows fashion and who follows the latest fashion. Fashionable doesn't mean is in fashion. Okay, so this cannot be applied to portraits. Portraits cannot be fashionable. Only people can be fashionable, right? And confounded. Confounded can mean confused or it can also mean full of problems. So this is out. Are rare. Okay. If they are rare, then it says these are all dash on fading walls. If this is rare, then this can't be abundant, right? Rare and abundant are opposites. So straight away we can eliminate this. Substantial. Framed portraits are substantial. Substantial refers to volume or, you know, something uncountable. You can't, or size maybe. So, you can't say framed portraits are substantial. Substantial in number maybe, but then the sentence would be a little awkward. And they are dispersed on fading walls, scattered. Portraits wouldn't be just scattered like that. They would be arranged nicely. None of these make sense. Hence, option A is the right answer. Vocabulary is tested extensively in all IP Mats. So, keep practicing. We'll be back again with more such useful videos. Thank you.